What's up, gamers? We're back with another vlog.
Hey, what's up, bro? Well, scary, bro. I never prepared at all. But I'm gonna bring. Okay, everyone. Today I'm gonna be presenting about my life as a DP student. So enough the boring stuff. This is my CCA, so I'm from Dragon Boat. Okay, I'm pretty sure all of you know I take my food very seriously.
So how do you think the interview went?
Okay, very good. Post game interview. Do you record?
I did. I recorded
Okay,
the whole thing.
you need to include all the parts.
I did.
And like make it look like I was aura farming.
Okay, so what do you think? What went well in the interview?
Yeah, it's good. It's natural. It's all good.
Right.
I mean, I think I was panicking over nothing. I was sweating and all.
What do you think can be improved?
Nothing. I think it's all good.
Alright, I love the confidence.
Go.
Hello.
Everybody
Bye.
knows about him. Okay? Now everybody
Famous
knows
guy.
everything about him. Yes.
The classrooms look so sad. Film it. Come. I think. Oh my gosh! Look at this. Not a single projector inside. How are they going to teach digital stuff without anything digital? This is so sad. Look at him. He's surprised. He's so sad. And maybe the other classroom will have hope. Oh yeah, it's changing.
Nathan, thoughts so far?
Amazing, bro.
I record you.
More fine noodles.
Yes.
Yeah.
chill, bro. Everybody's so vibes, man. How your thoughts, bro?
Huh? If I don't eat enough tonight, I can go skinnier.
Go skinnier.
Excuse.
Okay, next one.
Oh, wait, I missed. You gross, bro. You gross, bro. Stop recording me.
Relax.
This is quite okay.
You know why? Because today got more. So got second, third, fourth, fifth
Bro, me and
place.
Nathan not taking it, bro. Waiting for everyone to.